In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC in Outlook. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you send an email to additional recipients without revealing their addresses to everyone else on the thread. It's perfect for protecting privacy, preventing long recipient lists, and keeping replies more manageable. I'll walk you through enabling the BCC field in Outlook on the web, and I'll share a few tips to use it responsibly and effectively. Start by opening Outlook and landing on your mailbox homepage. You should see your inbox and the main toolbar across the top. This is your starting point for composing a new message. Next, create a new email by selecting the New Mail button. It's typically at the top left of the screen. Clicking it opens the Compose window on the right, with the TO and CC lines visible by default. If you're on a smaller screen, the button might appear as a plus icon, but it serves the same purpose. Now look along the top of the Compose pane for the Options control. It sits on the Message toolbar alongside Formatting and Message Settings. On narrower windows, Options may be tucked behind a three-dot More menu. If you don't see it immediately, expand that menu to reveal it. Selecting Options opens a small panel or menu with additional message settings you can turn on for this email. In that Options panel, enable the setting labeled Show BCC. As soon as you check that box, a new BCC field appears beneath CC in your Compose form. That's all it takes to make BCC available for this message. If you change your mind, you can return to Options and uncheck it to hide the field again. In many cases, Outlook remembers this preference for future messages, so you won't have to turn it on every time. A few practical tips as you use BCC. Place your primary audience in the two-line, secondary, or informational recipients in CC, and anyone who shouldn't be visible to others in BCC. This is especially useful for newsletters, announcements, or when emailing groups that don't know each other. Remember that BCC recipients are hidden from other recipients, but if a BCC recipient chooses Reply All, they will reveal themselves to everyone on the thread. Also, be mindful of any organizational policies about mass emailing or external addresses. That's the entire process. Open Outlook, start a new email, go to Options, and turn on Show BCC. With BCC visible, you can compose your message with confidence, protect recipient privacy, and keep your conversations clean and professional.